Welcome to Mastering Native CSS Shapes to build modern web pages, where you will learn the future of web design in present. In short, welcome to the future of web design. Hi, my name is Rahul Giri and I will lead you throughout this course. I have degree in information technology and I'm also an entrepreneur, web developer and graphics designer. Well, native CSS shapes are extremely new and hot topics in CSS community today, because by using CSS shapes you can build stunning web pages, which is previously possible only in graphic design world, not on the web. Oh, it's true. It's damn true. I love this quote by a great wrestler and Olympian, Kurt Angle, because it gently fit in this topic. So you already familiar with the shapes on the web? Yeah, this circle, triangle or stars. And let me tell you that I'm not talking about the basic hack CSS. Yeah, like this. If you want to create a circle, you can simply say width 20 pixel, height 20 pixel, border radius, and then you can just fill with some random color and then float it to the left or right. It's up to you. I'm not talking about these kind of shapes. I'm talking about native CSS shapes. So now let me show you that what I'm talking about and what you will learn in this course. So let me get back to here, and you can see there is actually our very basic CSS circle shape. So you can see that this is the circle we have actually creating since many years now, and there are still 70% of web developer who actually use this technique in order to create their circles. So what is the problem with this? Well, you can see here that this is actually our circle, which is actually floated into left, and you can see there's actually our text and it's actually floated into right. And problem is, you can see that our text is not flowing around our circle shape, it's actually floated into left. But now this is the age of native CSS shapes. So what native CSS shape can do, it's actually make it better. See this one. So this is the CSS native shapes, and you can see that now our content is actually flowing around this circle shape. You can see if I hover this one, you see it's animating and our text is still actually just flowing around these shapes. This is what exactly native CSS shape is going to provide you. There's a many examples you will see in this course, and there's a one more here. You can see this is actually a simple star, but if I hover this one, you can see our content is flowing around properly here in this shape. In this case this is a star, so our content is flowing around this stars here. If I just go ahead hover this one, this is actually decagon, and our content, you can see that text is actually flowing around this decagon shape. So this is really great stuff. So now allow me to show you that what you actually going to build here in this course. So let me get back to here. You can see this is actually Juicy Grape website, and I will show you that how you can build this amazingly clean and stunning website, and then I'll show you that how you can convert it to use native CSS shapes, so your content is actually going to flow around these shapes here. So let me get back to here, and you can see this is the website we actually going to turn into. You can see now our content is exactly flowing around our shapes here. You can see this, right? So yeah, this is really extremely stunning web pages by using native CSS shapes. Now the next thing I will show you that how you can build this amazing page. You can see that actually I got this background here, and you can see now our text is flowing around in this shape. See this shape. So I will show you that how you can actually build this one. So you can imagine that there's might be, let's say, iceberg, and you can flow your content on your iceberg shape. Yeah, I will show you from very scratch how you can do that. Next I will show you that how you can build this amazingly awesome website by using native CSS shapes. So you can see that this content is actually flowing around this right part of the Y shape, and this content is actually flowing around the left part of Y shape. You can also see that there's actually our blue parrot. This is the male parrot, and you can see our content is actually flowing around this male parrot. But if I just go ahead and hover over this one, you will see that now this is actually our female parrot, and now our content is also just flowing around this female parrot. This is the great example of CSS native shapes, and you will learn how to build this. So after completing this course, you will be mastered in CSS shapes, and with that you will be on top 30% developer who actually use native CSS shapes today to build their modern and extremely awesome web pages. So this course is designed for everyone who actually wants to learn web development. Either you are a beginner or advanced, you should must learn this course in order to master the future of web design. So with that, I hope to see you inside the course. Thank you for your time.